come on, no, an intruder came in? Bunny, don't be a coward. Don't fail your manager, the employees, and the customers like how you failed your family. Let's see if there is any weapons that I can use. Oh, great. I think the intruder stole them. Great. Now I have to find the screwdriver. In my manager's office and go to the electricity room.
The intruder is coming for you.
Are you kidding me? That radio is broken again? I keep telling the manager to just buy a new one, but he can be a cheap ass sometimes and make some dumb excuses to not buy a one. Like, seriously, then how can you afford this whole fucking Subway then? I forgot my manager wants me to clean up dog poop because some dumbass decided to let their dog shit all over the place.
Hello, bitch. Ready to die?
Ah! Get away from me, you creep!
Where the fuck did this thing come from?
That was close. I almost died.
Just you wait until I get you, and we will see who will. Be laughing.
Time to activate my second decoy.
Oh, that's a big mistake you're gonna make. And your last too.
Highly doubt that. Ew, the dog shit on that gear out of all things. I hope it still works. Yes, the gear still works. Ah!
Nah, asshole, did you think that I'm going easy on you after what happened?
Why are you doing this? What did I do to you?
Oh, many things. You are a horrible person.
The fuck you mean I'm a bad person and get away from me?
You can't escape from your actions, Bunny.
You can't escape from your bad actions, Bunny Bell.
Ah! How do you know my name, you fucking piece of shit?
Oh, we both know who is the real piece of shit here.
Mom and Dad, I missed you so much.
Are you really that guilty for what you did to your family? You should be ashamed of yourself.
Stop. Stop it. This is a dream.
Do you think it is?
No, not the decoy again.
Finally, I lost him. I can find a weapon and shoot him. These stupid lights flickering on and off, it's getting to the point that it's annoying. Died! Wait, this is me and my sister's room. What the fuck is going on here? The time I wrote a whole diary entry when I was 3 because my sister broke my iPad. Good old memories. I miss when me and my siblings were kids. Alright, enough yapping, and let's go take down this intruder that somehow knows my name. Which is very creepy.
Where are you, little bitch?
Crap, I will wait until he or she leaves. It's gone. Let's go. Wait, no, my body's getting pulled. No, no! Ah! Ah, it hurts so much. Wait, I can walk still. I'm being so dramatic. Oh, shit. Ah, not again!
Ha ha ha, I'm coming down.
Ah! I gotta hurry! Is it me, or I just saw fire? Oh shit, I gotta put out the flames! I've been in here. I guess this is the closest to where the custodian go to clean for our scam artist manager. What was that? Okay, the coast is clear. Let's go down and see if anything is damaged or not.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Ah, not you again! Oh no, not the time when Sis humiliated me on my birthday.
Yeah, I wonder why she did that, Bunny.
Shut the fuck up, creep.
Oh, Bunny, we all know whose fault for destroying their own fucking family.
Hey, just fuck off.
Psych!
It's all fun and games until I catch you.
We'll see about that. And my sister thinks that I'm a coward.
Is that a head? Oh no, all of the employees got killed by that monster.
Ah, that's brutal. How did I not notice that? Ew.
Ah, why am I only noticing these things now?
Why do I hear my sister crying like a little bitch? Ugh, that's her fault that I embarrassed her in a comeback. I'm done being a coward with her. Damn, her cries were so fucking annoying. I'm going to cut all of the grass in the greenhouse and see if I anything. I didn't really had to cut down all of the grass. At least I found something.
Just stop it! You're hurting my feet.
Ha ha ha.
Good, I need that to fix the subway. When will this nightmare end? There, I fixed it for you, cheapskate. Oh shit, the intruder is right there.
Where are you now playing hide and seek?
But I will always find you. Are you fucking kidding me? Just you wait until I come out of here, Bunny Bell.
That will be your last mistake you will ever make. I can't believe how stupid my manager is. He literally puts his office key in a vending machine. Plus, everyone can see it. Finally, the screwdriver. Now time to go inside the electric room. Oh shit, why is it so dark? If I remember correctly, the lever is in there. Yep, now here goes nothing. The subway key.
Ah! What the fuck was that thing?
Yes, the gun. Time to end him once and for all.
Wow, now you're gonna fight.
Yeah, now goodbye, bitch.
Crap, I just killed someone. Get the subway key and get out of here.
finally!
Yes, I'm out of that subway station. That was a nightmare there. Just you wait until I find you, sis. I had enough acting like a coward. I'm gonna end you once and for all. Wait, is that a child? I better see if she is okay. Oh shit, it's the ghost! It's coming closer! Wait! Stay back! I'm so sorry! I mean it! Wait! No! 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 Ah! Stop! It hurts! I'm sorry! Ah!
It never had to end like this, Bunny Bell.
The police came and they tried to save Bunny, but it was too late and she ended up passing away on the scene. Someone found a body with a ghost face costume and told the detective. But when they went to the change room, the body disappeared. Doggy and Polly went to see their friend Bunny, but the police told them that she is dead and they cried 4 days. 3 years later at the Piggy household, Georgie was waiting for his family to come home from the hospital. 2 hours later, his family came back and they felt weird, very